You're going crooked. Wait, okay, that's too big. Kate, bro.
What's your name?
Oh, Nozomi.
Where are we at?
Crowder's not. And we're hiking 3 to 4 miles. And it's January, like, what?
17?
2026.
How are you liking hike so far?
I'm loving it. This is so nice. This is my element.
Are you supposed to
Did you hear what he said? Did you hear what he said? He just said, I'm so wet. There's a print on the floor. Happy.
It's time.
Someone else, I forgot who.
Oh my God. What's your name? Oh, I can't do it. What's your name? You said it at the same time. How old are you?
17.